Hey everybody, Noura here. So today I'm really excited and I'm going to share with you 4 ways to make edible cookie dough. For all of these recipes, you'll need to start by doing the same thing, and you're going to heat treat your flour to kill off any bacteria. So take however much flour you need, spread it evenly onto a cookie sheet, and make sure your oven has been preheated to 350. You're going to want to bake it for 7 to 8 minutes to kill off any of the remaining bacteria. For this first recipe, you need brown sugar, granulated sugar, and softened or melted butter to start. You're going to want to cream these together either using a stand mixer or a hand mixer on a high speed for about 3 minutes till it's fluffy. Once that's done, you're going to add in your dry ingredients. So go ahead and add your salt and heat-treated flour. I recommend sifting your heat-treated flour before doing any of these recipes just to avoid any clumps. So go ahead and mix this all together on a medium to high speed for another 1 to 2 minutes, just until all of the flour has been fully absorbed. Now we're going to add in your vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk. You're more than welcome to just continue mixing on a low speed. I just use a spatula and folded it in though. And once that's done, you're going to add in whatever mix-ins you're using. For this recipe, we just use 3/4 a cup of mini chocolate chips, and you'll just want to fold that in until it's evenly spread. Transfer it to whatever bowl you're using, top it off with more chips, and dig in. For the next recipe, you're going to follow the exact same steps as the previous one, but change the measurements of your mix-ins. Start with 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips, and then add 1/3 cup of mini M&Ms. Serve it up with some more M&Ms, and you're good to go. For this next recipe, we have omitted all of the brown sugar and swapped it for white sugar, and you're still going to go ahead and cream that with your melted or softened butter, and go ahead and add your salt at this step too. You're going to go ahead and cream these together on a high speed for another 3 minutes until everything is light and fluffy. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add in our heat-treated and sifted flour. Continue mixing that together for another 1 to 2 minutes on a medium speed till all the flour has been combined. Now you're going to add in your vanilla extract and, if necessary, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk depending on the texture. Now add 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips and 1/3 cup of rainbow sprinkles or jimmies, and you're just going to fold this together until everything is evenly dispersed throughout the cookie dough. I always top it off with a couple more rainbow sprinkles, and now you're ready to take a bite. And now for the fourth and final way. So similar to the last recipe, you're going to cream together the white sugar with the melted or softened butter. We have no brown sugar in this recipe either. You know the drill. We're going to cream this together on a high speed for 3 minutes until everything is fluffy. Now it gets a little more interesting. We're going to add our heat-treated and sifted flour. We're also going to add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Now we're going to mix this all together on a medium speed for about 2 minutes until everything is fully combined. The mixture will be a little crumbly, that's okay. Go ahead and add your vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk. You can either mix this together with a stand mixer on a low speed until everything's combined, or you can gently fold everything together. Now I'm just going to add in 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chunks. I chopped up my favorite dark chocolate bar and folded that into the dough. Top it off with some chocolate chips, and that's a wrap. I hope you guys love this video. If you try any of these recipes, be sure to tag me. For more recipes like this one, be sure to follow Short and Sweet Tooth. And until next time, bye!